This is a fun technique that I call a calming jar. It is basically a snow globe in a tiny package. So the first thing I got, and I got this at Hobby Lobby, you can get it all kinds of places, it's just a little plastic, I don't know, jar or whatever. And what you'll do to make the calming jar is you're gonna put glitter inside of it. So I have a glitter that is some gold, so I'll put that in there. And this is something that the kids can make themselves if you have a place for glitter and you and you aren't worried about it getting everywhere. This is definitely something I do with just like an individual kid or in a small group, because that way you can kind of manage the mischief that might go on as they make these, because they're a little messy. So I put that in there just for fun. You could add some sequins in there. I have a sequin pack that I purchased, and then you're going to put water in it. Once you put the water in it, you're going to seal it, and you're going to take silicone sealant and put it around the edge of it. And putting the silicone sealant on there will make sure that the water doesn't come out. So when they're shaking it and turning it over to look at it, you're not getting a big mess of water all over the place. Now, they can embellish the outsides. I got these are some foam stickers, and I have one that I've put on mine, but they could definitely decorate them on the sides. I also have some adhesive pearls that they could put on there. I have different flavors of the foam stars, so whatever they like, and it's fun for them. So then how it works is they are feeling angry or feeling sad, or they just need to be calmed down. So they shake it just like a regular snow globe. And because I can't turn it up and show you very well how it starts to go to the bottom. But anyway, I shake it up and I can watch it go down to the bottom. And as a calming exercise, you can use this. They can shake it up, and then you can ask them to do deep breathing until all of this stuff has gotten to the bottom. So you could do one sugar plum fairy, I like sugar plum fairy, one sugar plum fairy, two sugar plum fairy, or 1, 2, 3, or you could have them breathe in and breathe out and continue doing that until all of the stuff has gotten down in the bottom. And then if they're still feeling that way, they can shake it up again and start the process again. So this is a calming jar. I think it's a fun technique, and it's interesting, something that you can look into.